Hey, guys, on channel articles for you today we will talk about blogs, also known as weblogs, are the latest thing on the internet. With there being so many blogs out there in cyber world, how do you make yours known and get people to read it? How do you have the most often read blog on the market that you are promoting? Because there are so many people that are trying to all accomplish the same thing, how are you going to stand out? There are several things that you can do to make your blog marketing a success, and we are going to cover some of them right here. The first thing that you should know is that you should have your blog URL pointing to your market. For example, if you are trying to promote and sell sunglasses from your blog, you want your URL to say www.sunglasses.blogle.com. Doing so will give you an extra advantage. The next step would be to customize your blog. Rather than having the same old blog interface like everyone else has, make your unique and interesting to look at. This will also help anyone from getting your blog confused with others that look just like it. There are so many types of blog software on the market that having your own look should not be that difficult to accomplish. Keyword research is another very important part of blog marketing. If you are not using the keywords that people search on, then chances are no one is going to find your blog. Have a variety of keywords in your blog as well. Not just the same one over and over. Not everyone just uses the term sunglasses when they are searching for shades to keep the sun out of their eyes. Keyword research is an important factor to remember. Using SEO on your blog, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, is a great idea as well. SEO will help get your blog out there and read, and will also help you get a better ranking with Google. Being as high as you can be in the Google search engine results is something that you want. Find other sites and blogs that are in the same market as yours, but not in direct competition with you, to exchange links with. This will help you out a lot as well, especially if you can get some good exchanges with high authority sites. The higher the page rank of your link exchange, the better for your blog. Many people do not realize this, but having a different title tag in the HTML code on each page makes a big difference. If you had given the first page on your blog the title of sunglasses, you need to be sure that none of your other pages are named this. Doing so will make Google think that you are spamming that keyword, and that will result in them punishing your blog URL. Once you have done your keyword research, you will want to write content based on the research you have done. Using one or two keywords, make entries into your blog using the keywords will make it easy for your blog to be indexed under those terms. That will also result in people searching on those particular terms able to find your blog. Pinging your blog frequently is another good way to get your blog seen. Every time that you update it, use the ping tools to ping it. This will let all of the blog directories know that you have added something new to your blog. This also brings you in some more traffic. Blog marketing is pretty much the same as website marketing. However, if you have never had a website, and are not familiar with marketing, these great tips will help you get started. Be sure that you put new entries into your blog on a regular basis as well. This will help keep you up to date and current, and also will keep your readers coming back for more. If you like the content, you may be so kind to subscribe and I would be grateful.